So, very good morning, all the students of 7th standard, and we are learning the 6 lessons, natural regions. Page number 34 is going on. So, the natural regions given in the tables are found in a specific latitude extent between the equator and the poles. We have seen in the previous video. Availability of water and temperature found there determines the location and the extent of these regions there. Availability of the water or the resources, it will be totally depend on the location and the extension of that region or the areas. Now climate is also depend on the basis of the locations extensions there. Beside the regions mentioned above, there are some of the more regions which stand out due to the local conditions. Along with this, some of the other regions are there, they stand on the local conditions. They are the monsoons, Mediterranean and the Western European regions. Monsoon regions, Mediterranean region and the Western European regions stand out because of the specific wind blowing there. Winds are blowing, localized winds are blowing, so the variation in the monsoon there. Mediterranean regions is also known as the rainfall in winter there. So what is there? Specific winds are blowing there. So in the Mediterranean regions is known for its rainfall in the winter. In winter mostly rainfall is there into the Mediterranean regions. They are described in the tables below that. How is the Mediterranean regions we have seen them. So first of all, monsoon regions, location and the areas of the monsoon regions. North and the south of the equator between the 10 degree to the 30 degree north and south parallels. This is the monsoon regions in that Indian subcontinent or our side also Asia or India is also there into the monsoon regions. It is into the 10 degree to the 30 degree north and south. It will be there. It will be into the south there. Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, Northern Australia, Eastern Africa, and Central America. In this monsoon region is there. Summer there of the monsoon regions, it is location and extension there. Climate of these regions, if you see that, summer temperature is 27 degree and 32 degrees, and it is there Celsius. Winter temperature 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 250 to the 2500 millimeter. So summer temperature is 27-32, it is okay. Winter is also not that much cold, 15 to 24, it is there in these regions. Rainfall is also quite okay, 250 to the 2500 millimeters. Area gets rains in the specific seasons from September southwest monsoons. So what are the area there? This area receives, it gets the rainfall when the specific season started from the southwest monsoons. It is started to blow that southwest monsoon. Here rainfall is, if you see the rainfall is highly variable and the distribution is quite uneven. Rainfall is variable there, and what are the distribution is there of that rainfall, that is a variable, not same way, it is a difference there. Natural vegetations, semi-evergreen and deciduous forests we see in these regions. Evergreen or the deciduous forest we see. Along with that, vegetations depend on the distributions of rainfall. What are the vegetations are there? What are the plants are there? All the plants, they are depend on the basis, the type of the rainfall there. Banyan tree, peepal tree, teak, sal, sesums, sandalwood, cinchonas, bamboos, acacais, shrubs, grasses we see in the monsoon regions. Animal life, wild animals such as tigers, lion, leopard, cheetahs, elephant, wolves, bears, monkeys, snakes, peacocks, cuckoos. Mostly these are the wild animals we can see in these regions. Means nearby all types of wild animals we can see. Among that, the tigers, lions we see, leopards we see, cheetah we see, elephants we see, wolves, bears, monkeys, snakes, peacocks, or the cuckoos. Varieties type of, there is a wide range of varieties we can see in the animals. Those who are belonging in the those who are coming from the monsoon region there. Domesticated animals like cattle, goats, horses also we can see in these regions. These are the domesticated animals. Human life, large number of the small hamlets are there, small groups are there, houses are there. Considerably differences in the diet and the costumes. Mostly we see what you see that there is a diet, whatever their diet is there, whatever their dishes are there, their food item is there. In their food item, differences is there according to the region wise or the area wise. All because they do not eat the same type of diet. Population is mostly involved in a primary occupation. Those are the people are there. Mostly the people they are involved into the primary occupations. As farming is a major occupation in this region. Main occupation is agriculture, or the farming is the main occupation of the peoples. Those who are belonging in these regions. Now Mediterranean region is the next one point. Mediterranean regions, location or the area of the Mediterranean regions extend between the 30° to 40° parallel in the both the hemisphere on. So what is here extent of the Mediterranean region? It is the 30 to 40° parallel in the both the hemispheres, south hemisphere and the northern hemispheres. On the western sides of the continents, Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, central Chile, southwest and the northeast Australia. These regions are there included into the Mediterranean regions. Mostly it is in rainfall into the winter seasons in this region. Dry summers are there and the rainfall is in the winter. It is the most important features, characteristics there. Main summer's temperature is 21 to the 27°C. Midsummer is also not that much hot there. Good it is. Winter temperature is 10° to the 14°. It is also okay. You can believe. And main rainfall is 500 to the 1000 millimeter. This is the rainfall in this. It rains in the winter, and the most important characteristic of the Mediterranean region, it rains into the winter seasons here. Now the natural vegetation thick, small and the oily leaves mostly we can say. Thick barks are there of that. Olive tree, oak tree, cashew nuts, grass in the low rainfall region is most characteristic. Coniferous forests and the mountainous regions, these are the most important features of the Mediterranean regions. So what are the trees are there? Their leaves are oily. So it will not be, water will not be remain on them. So if the snow is there, it will not be remain there. Small trees mostly we can say that. Due to the animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in the large numbers. Grassland area temperature is also good, so animals we can find in the large numbers here. Domesticated animals, mostly the sheep, goats are there, cows, mules, horses. Such animals they are in a large numbers in this region, and people they engage animal husbandry as their occupations. Seat of the Greek and the Roman civilizations. Mostly we can say that Greek or the Roman civilizations in these regions. Main occupations is the agriculture of the peoples. Mostly fruits and the flowers are cultivated. The cultivations in the farm, that fruits and the flowers mostly cultivated in a large number. Wheat and the wheat products from the staples diet. Mostly wheat they produce that, and they use wheat in their diet. Colorful costumes mostly they wear. It is the important features of the characteristics of the people, those who live into the Mediterranean regions. Okay, so when we will come tomorrow, then we will come with the next one point, that is West European regions. Thank you very much. Bye.